TGUAN. Hey, I share TGUAN, all the members will down there laugh, right? Okay, if I share TGUAN, you will understand this company is profitable. It just that the last quarter, it made just a few cents off the mark, okay, and it was punished. And this stock, when the trading volume comes, when the trend resume, it will go back up. It is more forgiving because this company is profitable, okay. It is about non-paper packaging, okay. It is profitable, so it is just a matter of time before TGUAN will go up, okay. It's just a matter of time. So right now, I would say the upside is tremendous. If you take a look at TGUAN chart, you can see today the trading volume. I like to see when the stock pulls back. Okay, this is the stopping volume that I always speak of. If you have been here for many times, okay, I always say wait for the stopping volume after the stock crashes. So the stopping volume already can be seen. Now today, TGUAN achieved very high volume and closed a white candle. Now this white candle is a little bit disappointing. Because the range is damn bloody small. Sibei stingy. Okay, but if tomorrow can continue to go up, I think TGUAN is going to at least test 290. Okay, that is my prediction for TGUAN. I have been following this stock for the longest time because I'm stuck at the high. Okay, I go and bet the earnings and shit happens. Anyway, based on my 八字, November wasn't a good month for me. Okay, November wasn't a good month for me. But December, I checked the 通数, it's good for my horoscope, so I should be doing better. Already can see the effect because I have got CIMB, I got Maybank, I got Franken, I got what else I have? Well, some of the stocks that is going up. VS, right? So I can see my luck turn already. Also, TGUAN sooner or later will go up and meet my entry. You can see last week, these 2 weeks of selling, black candle. Okay, let me show you. You see like that? Okay, what will you think should happen to TGUAN? Isn't it going to go lower? High? You see like that, black candle, super high volume. The selling should continue, right? But guess what? Last week, the selling already stopped. Buying step back in to support the stock and with high volume. So naturally, it will go back up. Okay, I'm choosing my word very carefully. I'm using will. I'm not using may. Okay, I got Cambridge English cert one. So I'm using will. I'm not using may. I am quite confident about TGUAN. Therefore, I want to hold TGUAN. But I don't want to hold IFCA. I don't want to hold BTEC. I don't want to hold, what else am I missing here? OpenSea. But I'm quite confident in TGUAN based on the earnings. To simply put, a profitable company will not go down. Okay, will not go down. I am only very scared of holding money losing company because from my decades of experience, those are the stocks that will go down and never see daylight again. Very scary. Okay, so I'm very cautious about that. Now let me show you another evidence. You see, scary, right? Very scary, right? Okay, buyer return. Can you see the high volume coming back? And then what happened to TGUAN? No bluff you, right? Then those technical chartists will say, wow, going up with low volume, no good, very dangerous, will come back down. Come back my foot because they are missing the fundamental picture. Okay, so fundamental picture, if you get it right, earnings is strong, the chart price should go up. Except glove stock.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel and open the bell to get the notification of our new video. Also like and follow our Facebook page.